Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to link Google AdSense to your YouTube account. First of all, what you have to do is open youtube.com and then click on your profile icon, which is on the top right corner, and click on YouTube Studio, and it will open a new page. So this is the YouTube Studio from where you can activate or connect your AdSense account to your YouTube account. So simply go to the Earn section. So if you're new to the YouTube Partner Program, and if you scroll down just a bit, you will be able to see an Apply Now button here. All you have to do is simply click on Apply Now. So the button will look like this, Apply Now. Once you click on it, and it will ask you to review the terms and conditions of YouTube. All you have to do is click on Start and scroll down and click on Agree. So after that, what you have to do is sign up for AdSense account. In this section, if you click on the Start button, then what will happen, it will ask you three options. Yes, I do have an existing account and I do not have an AdSense account. So if you have already created an AdSense account, then you have to select this option and click on Continue. And then it will redirect you to select the Google account in which you have created your AdSense account. Once you select the account, then you have successfully connected your AdSense account to your YouTube account. And then all you have to do is set up some preferences for YouTube Partner Program. All you have to do is turn on the watch page ads turn on, and then what will happen, it will go to the review section and YouTube will review your application. So once they approve you, and then you'll be able to monetize your YouTube account. And that's simply how you can link your Google AdSense to your YouTube account. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.